Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and easy DIY project, a mini catapult. This is a fantastic project for kids and adults alike. Perfect for a bit of mechanical fun right on your desk. Ready to launch some fun? Let's get started. First up, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some basic items you probably already have around the house. We're talking wooden craft sticks, also known as popsicle sticks. You'll need a good handful of these, maybe around 15 to 20. But the exact number can vary depending on the size and design you choose. Then, you'll need some sturdy rubber bands. The more, the merrier. These are the engines of our catapult. A bottle cap will serve as the basket, where your projectile will sit. Finally, you'll want something to launch. We're using marshmallows today, because who doesn't love a good snack break? You could also use small paper balls or anything lightweight and safe. Alright, let's build. Take 7 craft sticks and stack them together. This will be the base of your catapult. Secure the stack tightly by wrapping a rubber band around each end. Make sure the rubber bands are snug, so the base stays together. Now, take 2 more craft sticks and place them on top of the base, one on each side. These will be the upright supports that hold the launching arm. Secure these to the base by wrapping rubber bands around the entire structure, just below the top of the upright sticks. This creates a sort of U shape. Next, grab another craft stick. This will be your launching arm. Place it between the 2 upright sticks. Now, using 2 more craft sticks, create a lever by sandwiching the launching arm. Secure this lever using rubber bands, making sure it can pivot freely. The position of the lever on the launching arm is crucial. Experiment a little to find the best spot for maximum launch distance. The higher up the lever is, the more power you'll generate. Then, carefully glue the bottle cap to the end of the launching arm. To act as the basket, make sure the glue has completely dried before continuing. Almost there. Attach a rubber band to the base of your upright sticks, and loop it over the end of the launching arm. This will be the power source, creating the tension needed to launch your projectile. You might need to experiment with the number of rubber bands to find the perfect launch strength. Now, it's testing time. Place your marshmallow, or chosen projectile, in the bottle cap basket. Pull back the launching arm and release. Watch your projectile soar across the room. You can adjust the angle of the catapult by gently tilting the base. Different angles will affect the distance and trajectory of your launches. The more rubber bands you add, the more power you get. But be careful not to overdo it, as the catapult can become unstable. Have fun experimenting. This mini catapult project is a great way to learn about simple machines, like levers and potential energy. It's a hands-on experience that makes learning fun. Plus, it's a fantastic activity to do with kids, encouraging creativity and problem-solving skills. So there you have it, a fun, easy, and engaging DIY mini catapult. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting DIY projects. Let us know in the comments what you launched with your catapult. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy launching!